All right, guys, welcome back. Just want to give an update on the Bad Boy. I've got a lot of stuff done to it since I last put anything up on it. I got the new exhaust on. I took the carb off once, cleaned it. It was dirty. I put it back on. Still having the same issues. Wouldn't idle. Had to be full choke to run. So took it back off. Actually, at that point, I thought maybe it's some gaskets. So I checked the manifold gasket, checked the intake gaskets. All that stuff was good. Actually pretty new, it looked like. So I knew it had to be back in the carburetor. So I took it back off, really gave it a good clean. And I did miss some stuff for sure. I don't think that it got much cleaner, but obviously it got somewhat cleaner because put it back on and it runs, it idles, it runs really well. Needs a little bit of a tune. I think it's got just it's a little too low idle right now. So I'll probably turn that up a little bit. But it does run and it runs good. I've ridden it a couple times just to make sure everything was there. It's solid. As far as running is fine. Transmission's fine. So really good things there. But the brakes, the back brake does not work at all. I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's I was hoping some gunked up fittings, but you can push it to the floor and there's just nothing. So I'll dig into that. It could be something as simple as there's just no fluid in it. So there's no hydraulic pressure to push the brake pedal back in. And when you push it, it just doesn't do anything because there's no brake fluid moving to the back. So that could be it, could not. So we'll see. But I think it'll either be that, something simple like that, or just some fittings that need replaced. So either way, we'll tackle that. The other thing is the lights, the wiring on this bike. I don't know if you guys remember, I took off a ton of stuff. I took off a CPU fan, amplifier, speakers, a light up horn cover. He had another blue light down here behind the bags. He had underglow lights. So he had a lot of stuff wired into this bike. And I got it all out. But now there's something crossed somewhere, something disconnected or loose or cut or whatever. Turn signals, this one, the front left will just light up solid and that's it. Front right will do nothing. The back right will light up solid and the back left will do nothing. So have to tackle that too. So next will be brakes because I think it'll be something simple. And then I'm thinking, honestly, I'm probably just going to get new turn signals, hopefully new old stock. These ones are okay. They're just, they got a little bit of pitting and stuff on them. So not in great condition. So if I can, kind of reasonably cheap get replacements, I will. And I want to mount them back on the handlebars as well. I don't like them on the spring front end. So I'll get those off, get the headlight on, get all that stuff wired back up. But brakes next. So go over that. Bike does run. I'll start it up, man. It sounds good. It still has to be choked to start, obviously, but other than that, man, I'm really happy with where it's at right now. So let's get it started up. Check it out. right, guys, so that's where we're at with the Bad Boy. It's running good. So, you know, big plus there. Brakes and lights next, like I said. Do me a favor, you know, I appreciate you guys that are watching, following along. So like, subscribe, you know, drop a comment if you would. I'd appreciate it. So again, thanks guys for stopping by, checking it out, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.